Boo! Did I scare you? What do you think about when we think Halloween? Ghosts? Pumpkins? Trick-or-treating? Skeletons? Today we're going to explore Halloween. Where it came from, how people celebrate it, and of course, lots and lots of useful English vocabulary to get you ready for the spooky season this month. Okay? Let's go. The history of Halloween. Halloween is celebrated every year on October 31st. It comes from an ancient Celtic festival called Samhain, spelled like this, which marks the end of the harvest and the start of the winter season. People believe that on this night, the boundary between the living and the dead was very thin and spirits could cross over. Later, the church created All Hallows Eve, the night before All Saints' Day, and eventually this became known as Halloween, or at least Halloween as we know it today. Today, Halloween is less about ghosts and more about fun. Children wear costumes, go trick-or-treating, knock on doors and saying trick-or-treat to get candy. Families carve jack-o'-lanterns out of pumpkins, and many people make decorations around their home with cobwebs, bats, skeletons, something like that. Here are some examples of some interesting houses decorated for Halloween. You'll also see people at Halloween parties telling ghost stories, watching scary movies with witches, zombies, even a werewolf under the full moon. In the last video, I asked you all for a big favor. I asked you for 2 more subscribers so I could hit that 100 subscriber count. And thank you so much. I'm now on 112 subscribers. You don't understand how happy this makes me feel. So if you want to add to it, then please subscribe, comment down below, all of these things. Good comments, bad comments, suggestions. Yes, I make mistakes. Yes, this is new to me. I'm trying my best. But please follow along for this journey and tell me what you're struggling with in English. I'll help you with it, okay? Let's get into some Halloween vocabulary. So here are some words or phrases to learn. Costume. Special clothes people wear to look like something else. A mask. Something to cover your face. We're all quite similar with them recently. Pumpkin. The orange vegetable we carve to make jack-o'-lanterns. Jack-o'-lantern. A carved pumpkin with a face. Usually scary, sometimes with a light inside. Trick or treat. Children going door to door for candy. It used to give the person at the house a choice. They either made you do a trick, tell a joke to get a treat, but nowadays people just say trick or treat and get snacks. I think everything's become more lazy these days. Treats, candy, sweets. Americans call it candy, British people call it sweets. Whatever way you look at it, the children think that they are treats. So they are sweets that children collect at people's doors. Haunted house. A scary house with ghosts inside. Witch. A woman with magical powers, often with a cauldron and potions, usually with a big pointy nose and a big hairy spot on it. Ghost. The spirit of a dead person. In Thailand, they believe in ghosts a lot, like all the time. I always have to check. Skeleton. The bones inside our body, so the bones of a dead person. Zombie. The Walking Dead. Many zombie movies recently. Vampire. A monster that drinks blood, cannot go out in the sunlight, pointy teeth, lives for hundreds of years. Oh! Werewolf. A human who turns into a wolf during a full moon. No, not a full moon today. A mummy. A wrapped body from ancient Egypt. Not a mummy, M-U-M-M-Y, which is your mother, but in the UK we call it mummy. Hello, mummy. But no, a mummy is a cartoon body wrapped in bandages. We've all seen them. Spider or cobweb. Cobweb is where spiders live. They secrete from part of their body and they make spiders' webs or cobwebs. A spider is an 8-legged animal, which teacher David is terrified of. Anything I'm fine with, spiders, absolutely not. We're okay in here. Cemetery, graveyard. A place where people are buried after they have died. A tombstone. This is the stone marking a grave in a graveyard. A scarecrow. A figure used to scare birds, often seen in fields, usually human-looking. Prank. A funny, a scary trick. Spooky. Fun and scary, not too frightening. Creepy. Scary in a strange or uncomfortable way. So try to use some of these words in your own Halloween sentences for this special time of the year. Write some sentences for me down in the comments below. I would love to hear them. So now you know the history of Halloween, how it's celebrated, and lots of new vocabulary to practice. So again, tell me in the comments below, are you going to a Halloween party? What are you going to be dressed as? Are you going to be a vampire, a witch, or maybe even a zombie? Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell so that you don't miss any of my next videos. I'm trying to do 2 videos a week at the moment, so get notified when I have the next one. And again, thank you guys for taking me to 112 followers. It means so much to me, and I will see you all next time.